Once the roof was finished, then came the deliveries of the drywall and the insulation. Next thing you knew, the insulation started going up. The crew made short work of the insulation installation, and bing bang boom, it was time for drywall. And then the drywall went up, they taped it, they sanded it, and it started to take shape, and next thing you knew, it was textured and it's starting to look like a home again. One step closer.